day, everyone. Before we proceed, please like, follow, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to subscribe. This day, we are going to tackle about kitchen tools and equipment. Kitchen tools and equipment are very much important in one's household. Therefore, we need to know some of commonly used in our home. Following our list of kitchen tools and equipment. Let's start from kitchen tools. The first one is colander. This is a vegetable strainer which is essential for cleaning vegetable or straining pasta. And cutting board. It is a wooden or plastic board where meat, fruits, vegetables are cut. Third one is serving spoon. It is a small shallow bowl on a handle used in serving or eating food. Fourth, spoons. These are solid, slatted, or perforated, which are made of stainless steel or a plastic. Lastly, wooden spoons. These are made of hardwood, which are used for mixing and stirring. Let's go now on kitchen equipment. This refers to small electrical appliances like refrigerator, freezer, oven, microwave oven, and blenders. Thank you for listening. This is Rosemary Pelayo Villabas, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, saying thank you and God bless.